So, one more time. So now we have extra time. There you go. Prefeitura de Foz do Iguaçu, Foz Trans, Departamento de Transporte de Foz do Iguaçu. Everything paid with public money. As for the interference, as I showed that to you, this wasn't loading. While most websites on the internet were loading just fine. So you have that one. There's not even something on the phone. There's something on the app. So here's the way you get this app to work. You have to constantly be deleting. I don't know where you download into the phone. Then you need to constantly delete to be able to get the thing to work. And even then, it's still hit and miss. By the way, they are still finding torture drugs in there, and I would like to comment this in video. I would like to also, I don't know if I comment that in video or if I follow the bus in this to see the path it's taking. I think I'm gonna do that until I see it going around the south there. Maybe I'm too early for this. Probably too early for this. Again, something else I would like to mention. This is what the number 200 Gutierrez comes from. It's not the only source, but it is one as well. There you go. So that's why I say this. It's from this app, by the way. And they're crying, as always. So it's nice when you can just pin down the things that affect them badly because of their own choices. And that's the bus. Perfect. So that's exactly what we're doing. See where the bus goes. The other one just cuts straight through here. This actually takes some time. The only way it could possibly be, when you see in the map, it was already here. I know it's a Portal de Pós. There, on the thing. It's almost here. And it's like, what? How is that possible? This actually takes time. And it's possible because, we're looking very far away. This is a block. And those distances are not close. Matter of fact, if it does that, we can catch it. Passing right there. Yeah, I forgot. So many crimes. So many crimes. The tempo that before I had the chance to. See, this is what I'm saying to you. Because a bunch of vehicles coming in and out, it has to slow down. That's gonna collide with a bunch of things. So now I do have to switch for the other one because, as I said, we have to document the crimes. There's this fucking trash thing here. That's a truck, not a bus. So far, didn't pass anything there, but I could see. You actually have time to load because, as I said, it takes some time for it to go around. My concern is that thing that you saw that was already a couple seconds late. So by now there's no more rain. The amount of people they can hurt is considerably diminished now. If they could shoot me, assuming that they just want to hurt me and not just taking that in the load. My other phone, I had their favorites set up, but with them having to delete the thing all the time because the only way to get the app to work, you just delete the favorites. Okay, so it is in line. Lost count how many times I press the button, it just goes back to the other screen as well. Good, you got to see that in video. Chief is also going to skip for that way. No, it's right there. Good. On top of that, everything there. Seeing the criminal starting to interfere with the thing. Yeah. Is that'll be the next one? I don't remember. I mean, yeah, close the open can. Oh, that's this one. It's 22. Huh? Note also another thing. There was none of my bags close by. So, and it was the same criminal from that time. So what was the accusation I made? That they were doing that with intent to hurt me by abandoning a lot of people in the previous one. Intentions are more clear now. And we document anything necessary. We get to the mall, we're gonna call Tanya and share with her the good shorts. We're gonna rename that. The name is temporary. For all the things, the name is temporary. The important thing is to get the name in place. And they continue to throw. Just gonna make sure that this stays on. What was she saying? Then just free up some extra space and upload that. And I can tell you categorically, the driver was sister up staring at me. So. And that bus, 11098. Yeah, they continue trying to hack me. That's the supervising bodies right there. I think on one of those, this one maybe, I'm probably going to call them and just share the YouTube video through email. The public YouTube video. Where they get direct reference with the guys receiving everybody's money to service one company. That just keep everybody there in the rain day. Now, this crime against me is much worse. One push to shove. And there were narcotics thrown on me slightly before. Not slightly, 8 minutes before. You saw that when I said it. What? Narcotics thrown on me now. No, that's good enough. The noise is coming from the same place, by the way, as I see in the previous one that was doing that. Now, the other one also, you'll see a bunch of people staying there. This time, there's no need to hurt a lot of people because there's no raining, so you see the bus passing and not taking, that's the bus. For the noises, the party they started as soon as they left a lot of people behind. Last time it comes from this house, the same house which criminals came from to approach me in this bus stop before. The image looks so fake. I'm gonna show something. Look how rushed it looks. By the way, it's extremely rushed for what you're seeing. Extremely rushed. As if it's going in high speed for some reason. So, there you go.